The site is one of the best inspirations when designing a home. But beyond the ethereal qualities that a special parcel of land can have, the site also informs us about what can be built. Every site has its advantages and limitations, and understanding both of these factors is the key to designing the best possible home. You need to be able to understand the site before building on it. In a site analysis, we review a wide range of information, from the deed documents to the zoning code to topographical information and solar patterns, visually combining this information into a unified document to better understand how each of these forces affects the property. By the end of this process, we will have revealed the most ideal candidate building locations on your parcel of land. The first step is to read and review the deed documents and compare them against your local zoning code and ordinances. This information will determine what you can build, where you can build, how much you can build, and most importantly, whether you can build in the first place. Between setback requirements, easements, and deed restrictions, building a home on certain complicated sites can be logistically impossible. It's better to realize this earlier than later. The next step is to get a survey, and for this, you'll need to hire a professional surveyor. This allows us to get very precise information about the slope of the site and the location of any trees, boulders, existing utilities, or obstructions. Finally, we'll take the survey data and combine it into a unified document with all of the information we've learned about the site from the deed and zoning code, along with the specific solar patterns, seasonal prevailing wind directions, views and sightlines, floodplains, environmental overlays, potential septic system locations, and any other relevant information we've discovered. All of this information will help everyone working on your project make informed decisions moving forward.